According to the National Survey on Violence in Uganda, a staggering 95% of women have experienced physical and or sexual violence, which includes violations of sexual reproductive rights, torture, health, and the right to privacy. Angel Chakunzire from UGANET emphasizes that sexual gender-based violence can occur anywhere, even among men, and it's crucial to raise awareness about its dangers.
Sexual gender-based violence can be faced in different areas. We have workplaces, we have schools, we have homes. Every community that someone is in can be subjected to experiencing sexual gender-based violence. So it is very important that we keep keen and alert about these kind of issues as young women and girls, and not only young women and girls, even the boy child out there. They should be alert to know when such kind of things happen.
Rona Babwetera, founder of MILALA Health Net Foundation, echoes this sentiment, calling for a multifaceted approach to educate both the public and perpetrators to prevent such cases.
Sexual reproductive health rights. The best that can be done to improve, promote rights of these adolescents and young girls is first of all to raise awareness about these rights. Ensure that the rights are not, the awareness doesn't only focus on the adolescents and the young girls, but also the perpetrators of the same, the duty bearers, the parents. We should see places like churches, clan leaders in their clan meetings speak to such things.
Among the key factors contributing to sexual gender-based violence include deeply ingrained societal values and beliefs regarding women's roles and sexuality, lack of access to education and information on family planning and reproductive health.
Especially what we call the vagina, the vaginal opening, because the vagina is inside, so the vaginal opening. If there is any form of penetration through the vaginal opening, even with just fingers or anything that is being used that is physical, it means that person is actually violating you sexually. Then we have in Uganda bakwita when you're passing and people start to make funny statements against you, definitely it is sexual assault. Body shaming.
However, advocates cite that most victims fear to disclose because of fear of judgment and stigma, leading to underreporting of sexual gender-based cases.
I know at times it can be very hard to produce evidence for such kind of cases, but those cases need to be reported to be on a safer side. And where rape and defilement have happened, we seek PEP, so that we can control or prevent HIV infection.
The Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights and the Committee on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women, SEDA, have established that women's right to health includes sexual and reproductive health. This means that states have obligations to respect, protect and fulfill rights related to women's sexual and reproductive health.
When we look at the rights, when it comes to sexual reproductive health rights, one of them, we respect body autonomy and integrity. That for someone to have sex with you, it should be from your consent. It should be from the fact that you have agreed for the act to happen. So in forms where your body autonomy is abused, you cannot make a decision for yourself. You're then going through sexual gender-based violence.
Can we bypass corruption, especially in the cases of sexual violence? Not look at personal interests, but look at the rights of the person, the little girl, the young woman whose rights are being violated, that needs justice. I believe if we have more perpetrators being brought to book and punished for the crimes that they commit, we will eventually have less of these crimes as we work towards wiping them away.
By addressing sexual gender-based violence and promoting sexual reproductive health rights, we can work towards a more equitable society where everyone has access to comprehensive health care and can reach their full potential. Serena Naguja, BTM News Today.